Welcome to the ACCA Advanced Financial Management, or the AFM. Now I see the topic 4 here, real options. Right, so if the company is going to do a particular project, we'll need to use and to calculate the net present value of that project. However, the biggest problem of the NPV analysis will not consider the possibilities that the company may be expanding the business somehow in the future. So perhaps as a step number 1, that the company would like to take this project resulting in a negative NPV, but the company maybe in a few years later can expand into the country that it operates, basing on the step number 1 project that it has undertaken. It has the possibilities to sell more product because of its reputation. So therefore, how can we estimate that value? Well, in the AFM exam, we'd like to use the Black-Scholes option pricing model, or we can call it the BSOP model. Now, to do this, let's have a go at a simple example called buyout POC. It decides to launch the artificial intelligence features in 24 months. Which means in 2 years later. The project needs $7 million expenditure regarding the infrastructure now, for example, buying the server and so on, but not for the AI, not for the AI features. Now, and in year 1, as you can see in the net present value calculation there, so now year 0 would like to spend cash flows of $7 million there, and year 1 would like to spend 7 there. However, as the AI feature costs are 35 in year 2, right, okay, now the costs would be 35 here, spend the money out. And that's something to do with the AI, and the cash inflows from year 3 onwards. All right. Now, from the traditional net present value calculations, we can see that it will result in a negative of 2.98. So we should not do the project. However, we ignore the possibility that after undertaking that project, but later on, we can earn more money from it. If we are given extra information about the risk-free rates, which means we take the return from the government securities, and even the standard deviation of the cash flows, which means that from a past record, that the actual cash flows different from the average cash flows, okay, about 0.3 and something like that. Right, so we need to estimate, which means to calculate the total value of the AI project, considering not just the negative NPV, but also the call option value, which means the option to delay investing in the AI features in 24 months, which means in 2 years. Now, all we can do, very straightforward indeed, is that we'll need to slot the values in these variables from the ACCA BSOP calculator. We click on that. I will show you how to do that in a second. To do the AI project, we'll need to spend 35 as the exercise price. So we slot PE here, and we are told about we need to wait for 2 years. So we need to slot T for 2. Standard deviation, which means the volatility, standing for S of 0.3 there. Risk-free rate, 3.5% there. But how about the PA, which means the asset price there? Now, how can we do it? Because as we can see there, now we've got the present value of these inflows. So present value of the inflows will be called as the PA. Okay? So we plot them all together. Now, if I were to show you from the ACCA study platform there, the PA would like to take 18.28 so it will be equal to 18.28 plus 11.86 plus 5.93 plus 2.68. Of these present value of the inflows, which means the PA, 38.75. So the PA, as I said before, so we'll need to spend the 35 undiscounted cash flows, okay? How about the risk-free rate? 3.5%, and wait for 2 years, and that will be 0.3. Okay, press enter, you will see the call option value give you directly 9.58. Okay, so you can say to the examining team that the total value of the project will be equals to 9.53 that we just calculated as the call option value, and plus the existing negative NPV of 2.98. Which means that undertaking this project, the shareholders' wealth will increase by $0.55 million. Okay, that's how we do it. Okay, and of course, in a later course, I'll also tell you the must write paragraphs. Okay, when you are dealing with the BSOP calculation, and you will score very high marks by following my pace. And I look forward to seeing you soon then. Bye bye.
APC, accounting for your future.